Iziguli ezinakekelwa umhlengikazi uMaria Goodier aziwuvala umlomo ngaye.
I've known her for about 25 years, and she's special. She was born to be a nurse. She goes that extra mile. She's for the underdog. She doesn't mind getting her hands dirty. Nothing is too much. And you know, I've had so much trouble with my leg, and she's got magic when she touches my leg. Even today, I had a dressing. I could feel the magic.
She's dedicated to her job. I've seen many other places where you see nurses where they're not. You know, they just go and they don't care for the patients, but she does.
Nominee 2, Ms. Ummaria Goodier, from the Department of Health.
Noma-ke umsebenzi wakhe njengomhlengikazi wahlaba umxhwele amajaji, kodwa ukuzinikela kukaGoodier ekusizeni labo abafuna ukuyeka ukusebenzisa izidakamizwa kanye neqhaza libambile njengelungu lesigungu esibhekele ukuphepha komphakathi wangakubo, yikhona okuzuzele kukaGoodier lo mklomelo abengawulindele.
I'm so excited. I didn't expect it, but the recognition that we've got for all these years, that I can say I really went out and go that mile.
Umcimbi woklomelisa abasebenzi abavelele ubanjwa minyaka yonke njengophawu lokuhlonipha umsebenzi oncomekayo owenziwa ngabasebenzi bakahulumeni esifundazweni.